Okay, folks, we have gone to the Catered website and we've gone to the shop page and we have downloaded the Meal Planner Business Kit for Foodie Pro Genesis Team and Beaver Builder, Page Builder, and now I'm going to show you how to import the templates that we've downloaded for free. So we need to go to Tools in the WordPress menu and Import, and we need to set up the importer plugin. If you already have it installed, it'll just go straight to this page, import WordPress. So now we need to locate the templates, the downloaded file on our computer. It should be on my desktop. It should be there. Templates for tutorials, recipe collections, and it's important to note, folks, that at the end it'll be an XML file. It'll be over here, the type of file. That's what we need. This file has the data, the templates for us, and we need to associate those templates with a user. So it'll be whoever you are, the administrator on the website. So it'll be me there. And we don't need to download and import file attachments. There isn't any. And there we go. That's it. It's as simple as that. And to check that they imported correctly, we can go to Beaver Builder, templates, and we can see they're there. Meal Planner landing page, Meal Planner account registration page, Meal Planner login page. And so what we can just view it there. And the problem now is that the sidebar is there, so we need to get rid of that. But that's just a preview of the template, so we can see that it's there anyway. And what we'll do in the next video tutorial is we will set up those templates. We'll put them into the pages for the recipe box and so on is what we'll do. Okay, see you in the next video, folks.